Hey devs, how are you? I am Hiroshi from WebStylePress.com. Welcome to another tutorial. If this is your first time here, I share tutorials at this channel that can boost up your software engineering skills. So if you want to learn and grow in this area, join this channel by hitting subscribe button and bell icon. In this tutorial guys, we are cooking a custom dark theme toggler in Angular. We have created this by using jQuery, ReactJS and VueJS before. Links are in description. So make sure check them out as well. We are doing it in Angular this time because we can. We will use ng class, ng event handler and local storage to create it. You will be able to toggle between light and dark theme for app. Of course, you will have to write CSS for light and dark theme to achieve it. This app will persist its stored theme even when you reload the page or browse to another page or component. We will not create component for this app because it's understood that this is a single page application and the theme will persist via local storage. So let's start. First of all guys, you should have Node.js installed in your PC to create and use JavaScript and command line based applications. You can head over to Node.js website and install the latest version. It will give you Node Package Manager, commonly known as npm command line utility, that you can use to run commands in order to install and manage JavaScript package efficiently and to run JavaScript apps. You can also use Yarn Package Manager to do so. Also, you will need a command line utility or a terminal program to run commands. If you are using Windows, Git for Windows can provide you great terminal utility and you can run commands by using that. And it's like this. After that, you should have Angular CLI installed globally in your PC. So head over to Angular website, head over to Angular docs, and then from here open the page setup, and here you can install the Angular CLI by using npm install -g Angular CLI. -g is a flag to install it globally in your PC. And after that, you can use ng new your app name to create a new default app. Then browse to that directory and then use ng serve --open command to fire up your project. And this beautiful default app will be launched. So if you have a look, then the app folder contains few files. The files that we need are app.component.ts, it's a TypeScript extension .ts, and then app-component.html. We will use our HTML here in this file, and then this file will have our logic. And our CSS, for our CSS we can use Angular CSS, but I am using SAS file. I have created a file app.component.scss here, and I will call it here for my styles. So if you look at app.component.html, it has got this code, this huge code. It's got CSS styles at the top, and then it has got this toolbar and HTML, and it has got this main div with class content and role main. It's a huge file. I am going to delete it I am going to remove contents of it, and then let's save it. And we have got a blank page here. I will use my own HTML here, and this is my HTML that has got output like this. So I have got the same div with the class content, and I have got a heading inside it, and then I have got the content box. So the content box contains these two headings and paragraph, and this is my switcher. This is the theme switcher wrap, and then we have got label, and we have got a custom switcher. We're not using checkbox or input or anything, but this is our two simple divs. We will use our custom switcher, custom switch. We will create it in CSS. So let's look at this. So app.component.ts, this is our main file that will contain the logic. So it is importing component from Angular core, and then we have got the component definition here that has got the selector app-root, and then the template URL, that is app.component.html, that is this one. And then we are not using the app's style. We will use our file, that is SCSS file. And then we have got this one, export class app component. App component is being exported from here. That has got a title like this. So is our SCSS file being applied? Perhaps it should be in the body. So this is not the place to change the body, apply class to the body. Global CSS file, and that should be right here. And this is the style file. These are our global styles. I will apply this here. And so let's come back to this again. And let's save it. And let's move it here. And so this is our SAS file, and we have used the SAS file here. You can use this CSS here, and you can use this SAS file here. All right. Okay, so our HTML page here, and our app.component page here, our component here. So I will import here another thing on init. So export class app component, and it implements on init. And then you can use constructor here, and also ng on init. Although we won't be using these. So what we will be using is this stored theme, and that's a string, because this is TypeScript file, and we will check the local storage. Local storage dot get item, and we will access a key value from the local storage, and that will be the theme color. So when the component will be loaded, we are checking a key and its value, whether if it exists or not in the local storage, and then we are storing it in the stored theme. And we can use constructor and ng on init here if we need to. We will also need a function here that will set our theme. So if this dot stored theme is equal to theme dark, then do something. Toggle and update local storage, else toggle and update local storage. So this is our function that will be updating the theme, and when this function will be called, it is checking that if the stored theme, this one, value of this that is being accessed from the local storage, its value is this one, theme dark, then do something, or in other case do something else, right? Okay, so local storage dot set item, theme color, and we want to store the value is theme dash light, and then this dot stored theme is equal to this statement again, and in else if the theme value is theme light, then it will toggle it to dark, theme dash dark, and then fire this thing stored theme again. So this is just the toggle statement, if else statement for this function that we will need, and this variable right here will contain our value for the selected theme. We will access it in the HTML. So for now, let's update the CSS file. So here is the content box, that is this thing. Content box has got margin, background color, and the color, then border radius, some padding, and max width. And it has got headings inside it, and then we have got headings style. So this is the look of our component right now. And then we have got this thing. This is, let's apply this style to this as well. It is title, h5 title. And it will also have this style. Perhaps we don't need margin here, but we need its font size to be bigger, and then text align center. Okay. And then we need theme switcher style. So this is theme switcher, this is theme switcher wrap, and then this is the actual theme switcher that will be clickable. I can show you this in inspector. This is theme switcher wrap, and then this is theme switcher that will be clickable, and then we have got the switch path, that is simple div with a background, and we have got a switch handle that is circle, right? So switch wrap has got the 100% width and text line right. Theme switcher has got display and block and cursor pointer, and then switch path and switch handle. Switch path has got width and height, border radius, and then background color. This switch path, and this switch handle has got background color, width and height of 20 pixels, and border radius. Then it has got transition, and also when this will be clicked, theme switcher will be clicked, active class will be applied added, that will switch the background color for this switch path, and it will also change the switch handle, and switch handle will move towards positive X, and it will move 20 pixels, and it will change its background color. So if this is the theme switcher, if I apply class active to it, it changes. It is being done in here in CSS file, right? And then we have got this theme dark properties. So content is this thing, this class content, it will have a class theme dark. If this value will be present in our local storage, or when we will switch the theme or toggle the theme dash dark or theme dash light will be applied to content. Theme light and theme dark, this class is being switched. It is being stored in the local storage, it is being toggled and stored in local storage by this function, and then we are accessing it, and then it will be applied here. And if I apply it right here, let's say theme dash dark, then we will have a dark theme, and we have got some padding for body. Let me change that. We will need we have a height here. All right, let's inspect this. It is coming from so where is the content? This content. Okay, so we have got some space here as well. We have to remove this space. Okay, so this thing, all right, so we have to apply, so HTML is 100% and body is this one, and also we have to apply height to the content. For content, height 100%. And now this will have padding top. Let's add 20 pixels. So now it's better. Our CSS has been fixed, although it gave me some hard time. And content, for content, let me use 20 pixels padding, and let's see. Okay, so back to the functionality. So this contains our state. If I access it here, its output will be, let's see, theme white, not theme white, theme, it should be theme light. Okay, it is stored from the previous example. I will just clear it. Our local storage has got some value. I just removed it and we have nothing here. And so if I will click it, then nothing happens because we have not applied that function to this thing. So let's apply it. Let's apply set theme. This function, we have to try get this function here, add this theme switcher. So this is the label that we have got, and we have got class here, and click, this is the event handler, and we will call that function switch theme. So let's try this now. So click it, theme dark, and we have got a value here, theme dark, and click it again. Now it's theme light, and here the value is theme light. Okay, so we need to switch the class here now. So we will use ng class, that will be equal to stored theme is equal to theme dark then we will have classes of theme dash switcher, that is the above class, and active, and in the else case we will have just one class, that is theme switcher, this one. So previously we had got a class here, theme switcher, but now we have got a condition here by using this ternary operator. So if stored theme is equal to theme dark, stored theme is this value that we are receiving, and then if stored theme is equal to theme dark, then apply classes here, theme switcher and active. In the other scenario we will have theme switcher here, just this class. So let's try this now. So right now we have got the theme light here, and if I click it here it will move and change, and this theme dark here I had hard coded it here, and I will change it, and now this is for light, theme light, and here is the value theme light, and our switcher looks like this. If I click it again it will look like this, and here will be theme dark, and this is the theme dark. One thing is remaining here, if this stored theme has got the value theme dark, then we need to add that class here as well. So we will just add that class here inside it. So it's the dark theme, and this is the light theme. Dark theme, light theme. Dark theme, this value is being switched, and this is the light theme. So let me show you here that what's happening. So this is our switcher, and this is the wrap, this is the switcher wrap, and this is the label. This is clickable. Theme switcher is clickable, and then we have got this one, this content class here. So in the content class, theme dash light and theme dash dark will be switched, and then this label will be active or not active. So click it here, it changed to theme dash dark, and the active class was applied here, and click it again, those classes changed again. So here is stored theme, and it is reflecting themed light value, and if I click it here, well, it will not let me click here. So if I go here, I'll have to reload it. now here is stored theme dash dark. So if I reload the page, the theme remains the same, that is already stored. The state will persist. So let me recap this again. We have got this content, we have got this app.component.html, and we have got component. We are switching a class here, class for the currently selected theme, and we are accessing this variable from here. And then we have got a theme switcher. We are just checking it here that if stored theme has got theme dash dark value, then toggle class active here, and it has got our click handler that is triggering set theme function. And we have got set theme function here that is just toggling the theme dash dark to theme dash light, and then it is firing this method again that is accessing local storage stored value for the theme, and that will be either theme dash light or theme dash dark. And theme dash light is our default value for the theme default styles, and then theme dash dark will be this one. If content will have theme dash dark class, then its background will be changed, and inside it content box and headings colors will be changed. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything or you have something to add, you can comment down below, ask questions related to this topic. If you haven't already subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media, links are in the description below. Stay tuned for the coming updates. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, take care guys.